In this video, we have to factor 6x squared plus 7x minus 20. So we can let this quadratic become x squared plus 7x minus 20 times 6 is equal to 120, in which 120 is our AB and 7x is, there's a minus sign, so it's A minus B. Minus sign before the constant. We put here AB is equal to 120 and then A minus B is equal to 7. So we have to find the factor pair of 120 that has a difference of 7. The bigger number is positive. So we can list out the factors of 120 that are closer to 7. You can put here 5 and 24. Difference is 19, so it cannot be. Then 6 and 20, it's 13, so it cannot be. How about 8 and 15? It's 7, so we can use this. Seven x is equal to 15x minus 8x. So we can use this. We can copy down the given quadratic. 6x squared plus 7x minus 20. And then we replace this 7x with 15x minus 8x, then minus 20. And in 6x squared plus 15x, 3x is in common. We put here 3x times 2x plus 5. And then minus, in 8x minus 20, in minus 8x minus 20, it is 4x, 4 in common. So take 4 common, 4 times 2x minus 20 divided by minus 4 is positive 5. And this thing right here becomes 3x minus 4 times 2x plus 5. And that is our final answer. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Goodbye.